When something is well designed, you don't have to think about it. It just works beautifully. When it comes to powering your home, SunPower Equinox just works. It's the only complete home solar system with everything designed to work perfectly together, from sun to switch. With the most powerful and attractive panels available, solar cells built for efficiency and durability, and microinverter technology that maximizes power production at each panel, the SunPower Equinox system turns more sunlight into energy while resting seamlessly on your roof. It works beautifully overhead and in the palm of your hand. One company, one warranty, one complete home solar system. SunPower Equinox. Demand better solar.